Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Charles Schwab Mutual Fund for diversified portfolios, and here's the breakdown. If you want a diversified portfolio without picking individual stock yourself, Charles Schwab Mutual Fund make it easy. A great place to start with is the Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. It owns a wide mix of US companies across different size and industries, giving you broad market coverage with one fund. To get global exposure, the Schwab International Index Fund includes many large companies outside the United States, helping spread risk and growth opportunities around the world. For a balanced mix of stock and bond in one fund, Schwab Balanced Fund blends equities and fixed income, which comes smooth out ups and down over long time. This fund has low cost and beginner friendly, so your portfolio stays diversified without complexity. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and comment which Schwab fund you will try or you are trying to add first for your investment. And that's it.